अभी आपने ट्रेलर देखा है. आई वेरी स्ट्रांगली फील कि फिल्म कभी छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती है. ग्रामर सबका सेम होता है, चाहे वो 100 करोड़ में बनाई जाए, 5 करोड़ में बनाई जाए, 2 करोड़ में बनाई जाए. लंच बॉक्स अभी एक आई थी. और आई कैन जस्ट गारंटी वन थिंग कि ट्रेलर से अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी मजा आए तो यू वुड फाइंड द फिल्म इवन बेटर, मच बेटर. और यू विल नॉट बी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद व्हाट यू विल सी एज फार द फिल्म इज कंसर्न. बिकॉज मैंने जब आई एम वेरी स्केप्टिकल ऑफ द वर्क दैट आई डू ऑल द टाइम. 10-12 साल से हम छोटे छोटे बड़े बड़े टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम्स कर रहे हैं, फिल्म्स कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे कभी अपना काम फर्स्ट लुक में अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो जब फर्स्ट कट देखा उसके बाद मैंने तकी साहब को बोला नहीं यार कुछ मिसिंग है. फिर उसको दोबारा म्यूजिक के साथ और फाइनल कट देखा तो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर आई लाइक टू बिलीव सो दैट यू ऑल विल बी. We would have a little bit of question and answer sessions with the cast that I have. आपको कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा हो, कुछ पूछना हो तो please feel free to do that. Please come. Okay. And the cast, we do a unveiling of the first look of the film, and I'm very eagerly waiting for the reactions. कि आपको कैसा लगेगा of the poster of the first look of the film. So the whole cast, आप the cast will pull it down. Yeah. Come on, Annie. Ready? Go. All right. Yep. थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ, इधर. हाँ बस. Okay. Coming.
Left side, all of you. Yeah, excuse me, all of you.
ठीक लगा? हाँ, इसको निकाल दो. ठीक. Wonderful. Stay here. Okay. Mics एक है, उधर कुछ पूछना होगा तो.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening to all. Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. This is Raj from media.
जी.
Congratulations for this movie.
Thank you, sir.
And I like to ask the Yoni Delivery that what is required to be a good director?
I would say that there is no recipe, there is no one formula that I could share with you, because मैं personally trained from an institute director नहीं हूँ. I have learned the reins of direction and all from what I saw from a very young age. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक you're as good as your actors and your script. You are as good a director as your actors and script. अगर आप जो script में ऑनेस्टली लिखा है उसको आप ऑनेस्टली स्क्रीन पे पोर्ट्रे करवा पाते हो अपने एक्टर से. बिकॉज मैं सामने नहीं दिखने वाला, ये लोग दिखने वाले हैं. सो इफ दे कैन रियली फील द कैरेक्टर, इफ आई कैन मेक देम फील द कैरेक्टर, आई टोल्ड देम वेरी फ्रैंकली दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग मच ऑफ VFX इन इट. कि कभी भी आप वो एग्जॉर्सिज्म वाला मेरा नहीं है. आई एम वेरी क्लियर दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक अ फिल्म विच इज where the actors they have to pull the whole thing. Okay, when they feel infested, then how they're going to react. So I think for a director it's very important that he gets a right cast, and I'm just being fortunate. Being fortunate. Yeah, I will. I'll start from here. This is Aneet Kaur Sadani from Jalandhar, Sikhni. Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Singh, no? This is Puneet. Puneet asked me to just name him Puneet Kumar or Chandna or something. She started with me about 4 years back in a television program, Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, and then she did some of the Sony good program, and She gave her first shot with me. This is the first film of hers with me. I'd like to believe so she'd do a couple of good projects with me in the future. Same for this guy. Puneet started his career with me with the program called Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, which was one of the most popular programs ever made on national network. I must just tell you about that. And I have seen him grow from last 4 years into a very, very fine actor, and you would all see in the film. On my left, I have Harry, and Harry needs not much of the introduction. He has done Bhag Milkha, LSD, and Love Shakti Chicken Khurana, Mausam. And I have just found that Harry, जो सारे 6 कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनको मैं अभी इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा, बट दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट कैरेक्टर्स, क्योंकि ही हैड टू, आई विल नॉट डिस्क्लोज मच अबाउट द रोल, बट यू वुड सी दैट ही हैज डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब एंड अ वेरी वेरी फाइन एक्टर एंड इज ग्रोइंग बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. वेरी नाइस. This is Debonita. So she's from Kolkata, and she's done a couple of projects there, and very very fine actor again. And she is playing a Bengali girl in the film, and I would say that this was amongst the 6 characters that she has played, but she's very soon going to be playing one of the most main leads in one of the films. Very nice. All the very best to them. There are 2 more actors who are not here present. One is Adil Chaudhary. Adil Chaudhary is Pakistani pop star who's done a music also and one of the song in the film as well. And then there's this girl, Susanna Mukherjee. She's also doing some of the workshop in Delhi. She couldn't attend it. And they're also very, very fine actors, both of them. Susanna particularly. The girl that you saw in trailer, most of it. And she was the girl. And she's a very, very fine actor again. Apart from them, we have Tom Sabs, Tom Alter, who's, I have always said is my lucky mascot. वो आ नहीं पाए because he's shooting in US. But he's played a small role, very small role. उनकी आवाज बीच में आती है कि एक आदमी जो पिछले 110 साल से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता ढूंढ रहा है. So he is one of the cast. So I had a very precise cast, not much of the 50 or 100 people, but they've all done fantastic, exceedingly well.
Hi, Araman Raj here.
Ji.
2 questions. One is, have you actually shot in the actual locations? And normally you have horror films which try to promote a lot of superstitions. So is this going to promote superstitions or is it based on facts?
To answer your first question, we have shot portions in Bhangar. We have not shot the complete film there because of the permissible timings and the type of amount of days, number of days that we needed. We had shot in the similar the forts and the architectures around Delhi and Rajasthan and a lot of other forts. And to come to this, your second question, no, not at all. I personally don't believe in anything on celluloid or television which promotes something just for the sake of that one program you're making or a film you're making. I personally cannot take the audience to a wrong way. So we've all, while writing, we've all kept it very, very focused, clear, that we will not be the one who will try to promote के ये गंगा जल फेंक दिया, पानी मार दिया, ये हो गया और वो उसके exorcism उतार दी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Because I personally feel, again, coming a film like Omen, a film like Sixth Sense, for me, they're the best, one of the best films in the horror genre, because उसमें there's not much of obviously there are other very fine films, but anything which promotes superstitions, I don't believe in that.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah,
Vivek.
1 minute.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask this question. You have shot in the actual location of Bhangar.
Ji.
And Bhangar, like you said, go on Google and people know about it as such.
Ji.
It's haunted, highly haunted place. Yeah.
Ji.
Now you said, like my friend asked just now, you're not promoting superstition. Fine. But as a director, when you directed this film and when you got inspired by the subject, is it based on some true story of something like that? Or you wanted to create something over there?
नहीं देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ट्रू स्टोरी से सिर्फ इतना ही बेस्ड है कि भानगढ़, क्योंकि उसका लेजेंड तो कुछ और है कि रानी रत्नावती थी, उसको एक तांत्रिक ने कर्स कर दिया और फिर वो पता ही ना जाने क्या क्या हुआ. अब वो चीज, इट डिडंट एक्चुअली एक्साइट मी टू मेक अ फिल्म. I have made, I have taken the space, that premise, Bhangad, ke, I'm very sure you and me, we don't know what lies behind the dark. So I have not tried to justify that also, कि वहाँ पर there is ghost, भूत है, नहीं है, क्या है. That is very specifically. और उसकी जो एक legend है, जो कहानी है कि वो एक तांत्रिक था, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं. So we have categorically not tried to take that story or anything from that. It's a fiction story. I again, time and again say that if it becomes a thought-provoking thing for you, that what is there? Why is Bhangar? मैं आप all over the world, why people still feel, talk about it, make stories, make films about it, documentaries. There must be something which I can't decipher, nobody can actually logically explain. And it is the same line, the film Bhangar. The good part is that we have not succumbed to the regular, I would say, again the same झाड़ फूंक और वो भूत उतारने वाला.
No, that is not the question. Important factor के that place has got that reputation.
जी.
It's not just like that.
जी.
Importantly, I want to ask the cast also, के have you, any of you had that spooky experience? Because you must be stationed over there for that particular period of time, shooting the film day in, day out. Important factor, see what happens when you are shooting a scary scene. Even you shoot here in Mukesh or whatever,
जी.
in the midnight, यानी. So even if something is not there, you start feeling it. So you had, Bhangar is in Rajasthan.
They had a lot of experiences.
That haunting,
I would
yeah.
rather have them tell about it. Who wants to go first? Okay.
Yeah, that's very important.
I'll tell you an experience which I had. Was like we were shooting in Bhangar and we were shooting a sequence in which we used what we call those big fans to create an artificial storm. So when the storm was happening because of that artificial big fan, so I didn't know that fan will come. So it happened for a while, but after the fan stopped, and I went to some other place where I was sure that the waves of those fan can't reach. Fan can't be that powerful, but that storm was happening there also. Because I was in the storm, in that artificial storm I was there. And then I went to some 600 meters away, and that storm was also there. And I could feel the difference in my skin, that how come, but it was for some very few seconds, but I could feel it, that how come this storm can come here? Because the fan is placed on 500, 600 meters back, and it can't be that powerful. So that was like one of the really spooky thing which I experienced when I was shooting. And I'm sure my fellow actors also have to tell some stuff. You would like to tell? Okay, we'll start from